Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to hit the road. On the left, we have the VIOFO A119 V3 2K dash cam, and on the right, we have the BOOGIIO dash cam front.
Get ready because we're about to compare these two and find out which one deserves a spot on your dashboard.
Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the most important feature of a dash cam, the video quality.
The VIOFO A119 V3 boasts a 5 megapixels IMX 335 Sony Starvis sensor and an f1.67G lens. This means it shoots in stunning 1440p 60 fp 60fp+ resolution, capturing incidents with superb clarity. Plus, its 140-degree angle ensures you don't get that annoying fisheye view.
Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams.
The VIOFO A119 V3 comes equipped with a Sony Star VIS 5 megapixels image sensor, ensuring a much clearer image than most dash cams at night. With its HDR function, it can balance the lighting in over bright and over dark areas, capturing clear license plates even under strong car lights. Let's move on to the additional features that these dash cams offer. The VIOFO A119 V3 has a revolutionary improvement on parking mode. It offers three solutions: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording.
With auto event detection, it will automatically record 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event, providing you with valuable evidence.
Just remember, you'll need the HK3 ACC hardwire cable for this feature. Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The VIOFO A119 V3 comes in at $109, while the BOOGIIO dash cam front is a more budget-friendly option at $89. Both offer great features, but it ultimately comes down to your budget and specific needs.
The VIOFO A119 V dash cam has received positive reviews for its excellent video quality, ease of installation, and reliable performance.
Reviewers recommend it for its clarity and convenience features. On the other hand, the BOOGIIO dash cam front is praised for its affordability and visibility in low-light conditions. Users appreciate its high-quality video and ease of use. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preferences and budget.
Well, folks, we've reached our destination. It's time to wrap up this comparison between the VIOFO A119 V3 and the BOOGIIO dash cam front. Both dash cams have their strengths, whether it's the VIOFO's impressive video quality or the BOOGIIO's budget-friendly price.
Remember, the choice is ultimately yours. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Buy Smart for more in-depth comparisons and helpful tips.
And as always, drive safe and buy smart.